All right, this is Germany round 4. Germany starts with 96. We still have a question about Kaluga that needs to get resolved, but I'm not attacking Kaluga, so it doesn't really matter to me. So for $96, 5 went to tech, 45 goes to 15 infantry, but I get an additional one, so that's 18 infantry. $20 goes to 5 artillery, and another $20 goes to 3 artillery and a destroyer, and the last 6 is a tank. And I blew the entire wad. Okay. I need to take these off. I kind of set up beforehand, but I kind of didn't. Sorry for the blocking. All right, so first attack. I'm going to pick up a tank and an infantry from Holland, Belgium, and my fleet is going to take Iceland. Well, I'm just going to take it with a infantry and a tank right now. All right, boom, boom. All right. The infantry in northern Italy is going to take Sicily. And that's a walk-on. Two infantry are going to attack Vichy. And I'm going to bring in, let's see here, a fighter along with that. The rest, let's see here, non-combat, non-combat. Fighter TAC from northern Italy is going to, actually just a TAC bomber is going to take out the transport in Crete. Here comes the fun part. What am I doing in? So, 3 infantry from Leningrad are going to attack Archangel, and 2 infantry plus 1 from Belarus are going to attack Smolensk. Three infantry, actually 4 infantry from Pripyat are going to attack. So 3 infantry from Western Ukraine, 1 infantry from Pripyat, and 1 artillery from Western Ukraine are going to attack Bryansk. And no, I'm not going to blow my 7 tanks and 2 infantry on Rostov. What am I doing here? I'm going to switch this. So the TAC bomber is going to stay in northern Italy. So this is going to be a fighter attacking Crete. TAC bomber is going to fly 1, 2, 3, 4. My 2 mechs are going to go 1, 2. Boom, boom. And I'll drop 2 infantry, 1, 2, 3, from Romania into that attack as well. So if we're doing count on, this gentleman has 3 left. This guy has 1, 2, 3, 4 left. And you get to shoot at him. And I didn't. Let's see. This guy here has 4 left. 4. All right, that's it. Let's roll. One last look, see if there's anything left. Nope. Let's start. Let's see. Iceland's a walk-in. Let's get rid of Vici. So I got 2 1s. Playing at 3, and you've got a single infantry. All right, my fighter hit. Your guy missed. So Vici is off. That keeps you from taking all of North Africa. The transport in, what is it, C-Zone A37 is dead. Alright, here's your 1 flyover shot, and you missed. So in Rostov, I have a target select on your artillery. I'll take out the artillery. Hit. And I have 4 1s. Hit. Your mech missed. So, mech and artillery are dead. I take Rostov with 2 infantry, 2 mechs. Archangel, I got 3 1s versus your 2. Okay, my 1 hit, your 2 hits, so I take Archangel with 2 infantry. Smolensk, same battle. 3 infantry versus your 1 infantry. Nothing. I hit, you miss. So I take Smolensk with 3 infantry. And I have 4 infantry, but 1 is paired with an artillery. So I got 2 2s, 3 1s. Jesus, while I hit you. I'm just as bad as you, Paul, except I put my where I roll right on the edge of the table. So here's your 2 defense, 1 hit. So I take Bryansk with 3 infantry and an artillery. There's that. now's the time you're going to start pushing back. Plane lands in Ukraine. It has to. This plane flies back to northern Italy. Fighter from Vichy flies back to northern Italy. So those are done. Yugoslavia tank moves to northern Italy. Tank from southern Italy and the 2 AAA move back to northern Italy. Here's where it gets fun. The fleet is going to go 1, 2, 3. I've used all 6 of my task fleet markers. I haven't done that in a long time. All right, so that's there with transport. I'll leave the transport there. So I got a carrier, battleship, cruiser, and what do I got? 1, 2, 3 destroyers. Am I going to leave them there? So you could do a combo attack. You would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You could use 1, 2, 3, 4 planes. You could pick up 2, 3, 4 units. It's US's turn, so your fighters, do the fighters, because they're coming off a UK airbase, go 6? I think they do. So you get 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to leave a destroyer here. So the battleship and the cruiser go to the fleet. You get to hit it with a cruiser, a battleship. Your fighter attack 1, 2, 3, 4. No, they don't reach, but you could hit it with a whole bunch of planes. These 3 could go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Yeah, I don't like your position, but it's what it is. 2 fighters from Normandy fly 1, 2, 3, 4, land on the carrier. Actually, I'll make it attack bomber instead of. So I got a fighter and attack on my carrier. AAA, I'm going to rail him to northern Italy. Fighter from Normandy lands in northern Italy. So you got 2 tanks there. AAA from northern Italy moves back to western Germany. This last dude from Holland, Belgium moves to France. The 2 fighters from Holland, Belgium move to Western Germany. Norway stays there. Guy in Karelia moves to Finland. Now, what are we doing in the east? Oh, A42, this transport. We'll move to P54. Bomber lands back in Romania. So I'm going to take 2 of my infantry that I purchased, and I'm going to place them in Romania. I'm going to take 2 infantry that I purchased. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here's 2 infantry that I purchased, and an artillery that I purchased. I'm going to place it in Ukraine. Trying to separate those guys.
Hi.
Oh,
Sorry.
bye.
Everything. Gotta go.
Love you. See you later. All right. Now what am I doing up here? So, if you move here, I have to be able to hit you. If you move here, I gotta be here. I gotta be able to hit you. If you move here, I gotta be able to hit you. That's the problem. That's the challenge I face. So I'm gonna take. So this is 5, and that's 10 infantry. I'm gonna move them into Pripyat. I'm gonna leave the tanks here in Western Ukraine. 2 AAA are gonna go into Ukraine. Tank is gonna go 1, 2 into Pripyat. I should probably chip that out. 3, 4, 5. These 2 artillery are going to combine with these artillery. So now I have 8 artillery in Pripyat. Combine that with 2 AAAs. One's going to go here in case you want to take a pot shot at it. The other one's going to go into Pripyat. So I've dropped 2. Four of my infantry so far out of 18, so So that leaves 12. No, 14. I'm splitting this up. So 3 infantry are going to get dropped into northern Italy. One destroyer is going to go down into A34. Unfortunately, I get convoyed this turn. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 artillery. Drop into Western Germany. 7. Tank makes 8. And then I've got 11 infantry. So 2 infantry go down in Western Germany. That leaves 9 infantry. So 3 are going to go down in Paris. Leave 6. 5. Dropped into Germany. And I'll drop 1 in Rome, so you have to actually attack it. Is that how I want the board to be? Good board. Those tanks. I think I want the tanks there. The problem is you move here. Hit you. You move here. I cannot. You move here. I can't hit you. These 7 tanks are going to move to Eastern Poland with the AAA. You got that. I can hit you here. Can hit you here. Can't hit you here, but I can defend against it. I wouldn't have taken Greece with Italy either. I would have waited to take it with UK, but that was me. All right, so Vichy's off. So these guys are free to go, and you cannot take those territories for money. You're all free. I think that's it. All right. Disposition and then money. Disposition. I have in C-Zone A3 carrier with a fighter tack, battleship, cruiser, 2 destroyers. Transport, infantry, tank on Iceland. Destroyer in A24. Norway, 2 infantry. Finland, 1 infantry. Paris, 4 infantry. Vichy, 2 infantry. Northern Italy, I have 2 tanks, 3 AAA, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 infantry, 3 fighters. Infantry in Rome, infantry on Sicily. Destroyer in Sea Zone A34. Romania, 2 infantry and a air transport. Not a bomber. Air transport. Western Europe, 2 infantry, 7 artillery, 1 tank, a AAA, and 2 fighters. Germany itself, 5 infantry. 2 infantry, Archangel. 3 infantry in Smolensk. Bryansk, 3 infantry, 1 artillery. Pripyat Marshes, I have 15 infantry, 8 artillery, tank, and a AAA. Eastern Poland, 7 tanks and a AAA. Ukraine itself, 2 infantry, 1 artillery, 2 AAA, and a TAC bomber. Rostov, 2 mechs, and 2 infantry. Did I get everything? You know, I can't counter if you go into Rostov. Oh, fuck it. Just come to me. All right. Money. You have 2 subs convoying. Let's get that out of the way. Each sub rolls 2 dice. Here we go. 4. I lose 4. All right. So there. Let me remind myself that here's 4. Germany starts off at 30. It is down nothing at this moment. It is up 9. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. Plus Iceland is what, 1? 39. 39. Let me do that again. I'm up 9, 13, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. $39 with Iceland. So Germany is at 69. Let's get some cash here. 40, 50, 60, 5, 6, 69. All right, I'll take off the $4 right now, get that out of the way for the convoys. Let's see what bonuses I get. Oh, by the way, I forgot I have a transport over in P-54. Nothing in the Caucasus. Don't have London. Don't have Egypt. Maine. I get $7 for Norway, Sweden, Denmark. $5 for Leningrad. No armistice with France. No subs on map. I'm at war with the Soviet Union. All right, each territory that Germany controls that was originally Italian. I've got Albania. I've got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sicily. So that's 4 times 8, or 4 times 2 is 8. I'm going to take these 2 off. That's 10. All right. So I should be walking away with 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 85. 85. That's it for Germany. It's now Japan. Sorry this was so long.